This is Mark Butterfly. He let me do a video and then took off, but he's back again. So I just find it interesting that all the wildlife out here in the front yard is very trusting today and just in their photo op are just pretty much coming to me. I just find that interesting. Anybody have any ideas why? Put them in the comments. You can see his little, I don't know what it is, wing, antenna, mouth, tongue. What is that sticking out? Anyway, it's just been an interesting day. It's only still have the rest of the day to go, so interested in seeing who else shows up when I'm upstairs. So I Google Lensed him, and he's called a question mark butterfly, so of course his name is Mark for today. Anyway, enjoy.